Hi, welcome to Wanies Academy. Our topic for today is raising powers. And the aim of our lesson is to help you understand and apply the rules of raising powers to powers. That is power of a power rule. Therefore, the objective of today's class is that at the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand and apply the rule of raising a power to another power to simplify expressions involving powers of powers. Solve problem involving indices using the power of a power rule. Next, we go to is the content, raising powers. The rule of raising power is stated here as, open the bracket, a raised to power m, close bracket, raised to power n is equal to a raised to power the m multiplies n, which means a raised to power mn. That is, we multiplied m and n together. We check this with some examples. As you can have it here is an example 1. Simplify the following. Number 1, 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4. As the rules here states that we multiply the two powers together. That is, this becomes 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 4. This is equal to 2 raised to power 12. 2 raised to power 12, we can evaluate it as 4,096. 4,096. Number 2, x raised to power 2 raised to power -5. We use the rule given above, that is, this should be x raised to power 2 multiplied by -5. Okay, so this becomes x raised to power 2 times -5 is -10. Because x is an algebra here, therefore we leave our answer as x raised to power -10. 3, we have y raised to power 2, y raised to power 3, sorry, also raised to power 2. Applying the rule up here says y raised to power 3 multiplied by 2. So this becomes y raised to power 3 times 2 makes it 6. I hope this is clear. We go to the next one, which is combining with other rules. That is the multiplication rule, the division rule. Example 2, which says that evaluate 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3, close bracket, then raised to power 3. In this case, we resolve what is inside the bracket first. That is 3 raised to power 2. Because here is multiplication, it turns to addition. Then we have a power here, which is power 1. So that's 2 plus 1, close bracket, raised to power 3. Then this becomes 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 3. From there, we can apply the power of a power rule, which says that 3 raised to power 3 times 3. Then 3 times 3 makes it 9. 3 raised to power 9 can be evaluated as 19,683. 19,683. Next, we look at is example 3. which says simplify, open bracket, m raised to power 2 divided by m raised to power 4 close bracket raised to power negative 5. This we evaluate the bracket first, that is m raised to power 2, division turns to minus 4, close bracket, negative 5 still remains outside. Then, open bracket, m raised to power 2 minus 4 makes it negative 2, close bracket, negative 5. From here, we apply power of the power rule, which says that m raised to power negative 2 multiplies negative 5. Then this becomes m raised to power negative 2 multiplied by negative 5 makes it 10. Therefore, our final answer there is m raised to power 10. Finally, for today, we'll look at the last example, which says x raised to power 4 then raised to power negative 5. Everything over x multiplies x raised to power negative 3 raised to power 7. Let's deal with what is inside the bracket first. For the numerator, we can simply apply the power of the power rule, which is x raised to power 4 multiplies negative 5 divided by x times x raised to power negative 3 times 7. Then with this, we can say x raised to power 4 multiplied by negative 5 makes it negative 20 over x multiplied by x raised to power negative 3 times 7 makes it negative 21. We can move on to say that x raised to power 20, x raised to power negative 20 over, this is multiplication rule we can apply here. That makes it x raised to power 1 plus negative 21. Then this means for us, x raised to power negative 20 divided by x raised to power 1 plus negative 20 makes it negative 20. Right here, we can apply the division rule, which says that x raised to power negative 20 minus negative 20. And from here, it is obvious that this becomes x raised to power 20 negative 20 plus 20. And x plus 20, negative 20 plus 20 is 0. Therefore, we have x raised to power 0. And any number or letter raised to power 0 except 0 itself is 1. Therefore, our final answer here is 1. We hope that this is well understood. Do well to subscribe to our channel, give it a like button, and share with your friends. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.